What is moment of force? To understand the concept of moment of force, let us consider a wrench with its one end around a bolt head. Now, if we push the other end of wrench with a force F, at a distance d from the bolt head, it will try to rotate. The measurement of this effect is known as moment m. Thus, moment of force about a point is the measure of the rotation effect of force. Mathematically, moment of force R is represented as where F is the force applied and D is the perpendicular distance between the center of bolt and the line of action of force. Please note that the clockwise moment is taken as positive, while the anti-clockwise moment is taken as negative. Related terms are moment arm, bending moment, and rotation. Question. Remember keywords. Related terms are remember diagram, remember definition, useful information,